Guys, I'm totally prepared for the CAT exam. So इतना कुछ करने का जरूरत थी वो मैंने बस आपको फोटो जाने के लिए ऐसा किया था. So don't need to carry that many things. Gloves is मेरे पास gloves था नहीं तो I just wore this thing. This list point number 1 is the mask. मास्क डाल के सड़क पे थोड़ी देर के लिए जाके कुछ लेके वापस आना इज वन थिंग, बट वेयरिंग द मास्क फॉर कंटिन्यूसली 2 hours आई थिंक इट बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई एम नॉट यूज टू दैट यार. I whenever go outside for my run or for my jogging, I do like this when there is no one around because it's impossible यार, impossible to do like this. And वहाँ पे 2 घंटे ये करके बैठना, it gonna be a difficult task. So you have to get used to that. So gloves, so we are not used to it. How can I ride with the gloves on यार? So but I understand you can remove the gloves. Candidate must bring. So that is the one fact. यार must bring. Water bottle is must. But if I don't want to drink water, why you making compulsory? So it's like if you want to bring, you can bring in your transparent water bottle. वो 10 rupees की पानी की bottle, 20 rupees की पानी की bottle, you can carry that with you. Yeah, that is one thing. But I believe the gloves, I'm not going to use gloves. I don't normally use gloves when I go outside, but why will I use it in the exam? So, but rules are rules. It's better to carry your gloves. That's my request, my recommendation. Because you can buy, I think I don't know the price. I think that the plastic wala low cost wala will be available for 5 rupees or 10 rupees. Like this mask is available for 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So you need to carry that. तो बोल रहा तो लेके जाओ यार. Must बोला तो लेके जाना पड़ेगा. I read the wording again in the एडमिट कार्ड है नहीं, मैंने तो प्रिंटर निकाला नहीं है और जस्ट इन द पेपर तुम्हें इम्प्रेस करने के लिए. बट आई एम नॉट यूजिंग, आई हैव टू टेक अ प्रिंट आउट. या प्लीज डू टेक द प्रिंट आउट. मस्ट ब्रिंग देयर ओन मास्क, ग्लव्स, हैंड सैनिटाइजर 50 ml. सो दिस इज अ 50 ml हैंड सैनिटाइजर. ये मैंने ओवरऑल से ढापा था तो वो अलग बात है, वो बात की बात है, बट दैट्स अ सेपरेट थिंग. बट 50 ml इज अलाउड. सो वाई दे आर पुटिंग अ लिमिट टू दैट? बिकॉज यू माइट कैरी बड़ी बड़ी बोतलें लेके आ जाएंगे पूरी 100,000 ml की. कोई पंजाबी निकला, सर जी हमें सैनिटाइजर मिला नहीं तो मैं दारू की बोतल लेके आ गया, तो नहीं, वो सब अलाउड नहीं है. वाटर बॉटल अलाउड. 2 सिंपल पेन्स. वो नहीं, बस सिंपल पेन यार. सिंपल पेन मीन आम पेन. तुम बड़ी हाई फाई वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पेन वो सब नहीं लेके जा सकते. 2 सिंपल पेन अलाउड. एंड एडमिट कार्ड, ID कार्ड. These are the only thing allowed in the admit card. You cannot carry your phone. You cannot carry anything else. So it's recommendation. My recommendation is carry a bag. I personally never carry a bag, so I have to put my keys, car keys, everything into my some student's bag. That's what I used to do earlier. But now I am going to carry my bag because purse, everything else you can carry with that. Like I normally leave everything in my car, but when it comes to the purse, keys, I have to carry my car keys at least with me. So they will be putting a locker outside. You have to do, you can put everything, not a locker, in open area like a normal school exams here. That again depends center to center. The more specialized center like TCS and all, there's a column there where you can keep your bags. But if you have a center in a college like Sterling College in New Bombay, so what they do, you can put the bags outside the classroom, or they dedicate one particular classroom for all the bags. Pillai, they dedicate one classroom. So every college has their own scenario. So my recommendation, carry a school bag, carry a normal bag, the one you used to carry to college and all. So उसमें सारा डाल के रखोगे. Mask, understandable. Glove is a question mark. I cannot ride with the gloves on. So what I can do, when I'm sitting on my desk, I can remove my gloves. You don't need to write with the gloves on. That's my recommendation. But यार हर सेंटर में अलग होता है. हर सेंटर का इन्विजिलेटर have their own thinking. नहीं, must लिखा तो बेटा करना ही पड़ेगा. Mask I can understand. So what I'm going to do, I might lower down the mask थोड़ा सा, while because इधर तक mask is okay. दाढ़ी वैसे ही मेरे को तो वैसे भी cover होता ही है. So I am going to put down the mask during the exam because 2 hours I cannot sit like this. It's impossible. And what you can do, you can carry a few more masks. Like I can change my mask after every 50 minutes. If you have to continuously put it on the mouth, you can change the mask. That's what I normally do. When I'm going outside, I carry normally 2-3 masks. I don't use a permanent mask. को धोने का tension, ये tension, वो tension. I use this throwaway mask. So I can carry 2-3-4 masks. I'm going to change the mask there. That's something I'm going to do. Transparent water bottle. Do carry your water bottle. पानी पीना है पियो, नहीं पीना है मत पियो, but do carry your पानी का bottle. Okay. And test documents, admit card and ID card. So these are the instructions which is given on the CAT ka form. We have to follow that. Yeah. Admit card ka printout have to be taken on 2 pages. Page 1, page 2. Alright. So these are small things you have to take care of. So get used to that. I want you to get used to that. Couple of students have complained me, told me these things are making this video, that after making the mask and gloves, the performance went down. Why the performance went down? Because we're not used to that. We're not used to writing with the mask on. तो 2-3 mark देना पड़ेगा. So next 1 week उठना बैठना सोना जागना विद मास्क ऑन, या सो दैट वी गेट यूज टू ऑल दिस थिंग्स. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें यार, बट करना पड़ेगा यार. 2020 है, कोविड है, वी हैव टू बी टेकिंग प्रिकॉशंस, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. कपल ऑफ स्टूडेंट हैव टोल्ड मी दिस एज वेल कि सर आई हैव बीन टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव, तो मैं क्या करूँ. तो यार दैट्स अ सैड न्यूज़. आप प्लीज़ टॉक टू देम, टॉक टू द कैट अथॉरिटीज़ कि उसका क्या कर सकते हैं. तो सो यू हैव टू टॉक टू देम बिकॉज आई डाउट देयर गोना बी अ, इफ़ यू आर टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव और इफ़ यू हैव ऑल दिस सिम्टम्स, यू माइट बी केप्ट सेपरेटली. बट एग्जाम सेपरेटली, एग्जाम देने देंगे नहीं देने देंगे, वी डोंट नो. तो दोज हु हैव कफ, स्पेशली नॉर्थ इंडिया में कोल्ड का अभी नया नया ठंडी आई है, तो देर कैन बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी यू माइट बी हैविंग अ फ्यू कोल्ड एंड थिंग. सो इफ़ यू आर COVID negative, then I think you should try to express your symptoms on the exam time. What one recommendation can be, try to go to mall if they let you enter the mall. So I think similar kind of a security will be there, because they can't check all 100 students here. It's impossible to check all 100 students with thorough checkup. So I don't know anybody have been into airport, they can tell us how much security is at the airport, because mom is simple, they check your temperature and then let you go in, so they're not checking that much bothered about this thing. Hopefully, because cat normally do the same thing, a quick checkup, quick this thing, and go in. So not very serious checkup kind of thing. Like in one, I'm not proud of this, once more time in the cat exam I carried my phone with me. फोन मेरी ऊपर की पॉकेट में, पीछे की पॉकेट में था. मेरे को भी ध्यान लगा, उसने वैसे चेक किया, जाने दिया. अंदर आके याद है साला फोन मेरे पास है, मैंने फोन रैंग. So then told sir मेरा फोन मेरे पास गलती से आ गया. तो then he took the phone out and then he returned me the phone later on. I'm not proud of that moment, but it happened to me once upon a time. So they're not very thorough checkup. So those who have small cold and cough, थोड़ी देर के सांस रोक लेना and then they might let you inside. All the best.